there, this is Mangi Chaitanya Kumar and welcome back to our YouTube channel Eternal Learning. In this video, we would be talking about the free online courses offered by Google, also known as Google Digital Garage. All these courses are free and we have around 147 courses in this. And to name a few, we have a coding, we have ML machine learning, we have artificial intelligence, and also we have the courses related to the career development. So I'll take you through all these courses and I'll also tell you how to register these courses. So please be with this video till the end. And if this is the first time you're visiting this channel, so please do subscribe the channel. Also share this video. Thank you. So without any further ado, let's get into the portal. Hi there, welcome back to our video. Just I wanted to tell you that I'm keeping this video in Hindi and English so that most of the people would understand. Even if you don't understand this, just not to worry, just follow my cursor, you will understand everything. So without any further ado, let's dive into the details. First, we open our browser. Here my browser is a Google Chrome. Yes, we got here. Then here we'll type Google, already it is there, so we'll type this Google Digital Garage. So don't worry, I'll share this link in the description. Okay, now again we need to click this one, so Learn Online Marketing with Free Courses, Google Digital. Once you click this, it will lead us to the home page of the Google Digital Garage. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, just scroll it down so that you can change the country option. Your default will have the United Kingdom. We need to change it to the country you belongs to. Here I'm from India, so I'm changing it to India. Yeah, I have changed it to India. It's nothing to do with this because see, once you do that, it's that you are adhering to the country's, the particular country's rules and guidelines. That's it. But there is no change in the content or the courses offered. Okay. So you see, we have got this. Now we have this home page. To get started for any course, you need to register yourself first. So first we will register ourselves here. Just we need to enter few information, login information, start your free. Yeah, let's get started. Tell us a little about yourself so we can make your personal plan. Yes, just it's a brief information about us. Just I'll enter my name. Already it's been given because already I'm going through few of the courses here. Last name is Kumar. Okay, just enter your name. Also this name will appear on your fundamentals of digital marketing because digital marketing certification is free in this course. So whatever name you give, that will be on the certification. Okay, so what is next? Yes, you have email preferences. Would you like to receive emails with the tips on improving your digital skills? Yes, I would like to go with it. Can you research partners occasionally contact to get your feedback? No, thanks. It's up to you. It's your choice whether you can go with yes, please. Do you want to receive emails about new courses or related products? Yes, I want to keep myself updated. By signing in, I agree the two Google terms of yes, I put this. Okay, now, yes, next. My internet connection is a bit slow, so it will take some time for me. Yeah, welcome to your new digital unlock. Find courses, watch video tutorials and test your knowledge. I am ready. Just click on it. Yes, now this is where we led to online courses. Discover a range of free learning content designed to help grow your business or jumpstart your career. Around 147 courses we have here. You can see this here. We have around 147 courses you can choose from. So we need to explore them. The most of the cases, most of the courses are free, and I think there are minimum which are also charged on nominal fees. Okay, that depend on your course. We need to see that, and all these courses are categorized into three parts. That is into data and tech, digital marketing and career development. So each one by one we'll see what is there in data and tech. Oh, in data and tech we have around 58 courses, like basics of coding, basics of machine learning, improve your online business, cloud platform, code infrastructure. We have a big data and machine learning fundamentals, learning crash course, AI. See here you can see AI, technical support fundamentals, fundamental of graphic design. So each and everything. So just you scroll it down, you explore on your own, whatever. See, there are a lot of courses you have. The Python basics, introduction to cyber security for business. Let's scroll down further for you. just go through this. Include certification. Just if it is given like this, it is the certification is included, that you don't have to pay anything for the certification. Hope you are getting it. So include certification, Google IT support professional certificate, Google IT automation with a Python professional certificate. Okay, that's free. Okay, machine learning for business professionals. So just go through this. Okay, in the data and tech we have the 58 courses that just now we have gone through. Another, let's come into the digital marketing. Yeah, we have around 31 courses in this. The fundamentals of digital marketing, get business online, make sure customer finds you online. We have around 31 courses. How to enhance and protect your online campaign. What is social? Understand the web. Host a design thinking workshop. We have a lot of good. Create a photo journal in Google Docs. Good. Learn how to create and optimize Google display ad campaigns. Ads are nowadays much important for us to market our products. So whatever we do, see, irrespective of the business we are in now, the digital marketing is a need of the hour. So we need to learn. So we'll come back to this digital marketing course that will go into the details. We'll get into the details of it. So meanwhile, the next one is the career development. So let's see what is there in the career development. Build confidence with self-promotion. Confidence is of much importance. Land your next job. Okay, how to increase productivity. I'm skipping few of the things. Just I want you to explore on it. Just because due to the shortage of time, I can't make such big video. So I want to keep this video short and crisp. So I am going a bit faster. Just you explore this. Intro to digital well-being, effective networking, business communication, public speaking. So most important course is a public speaking. Communicate your ideas through storytelling and design. Yes, unless you put your ideas out, it doesn't make any sense of your ideas. So we need to have a proper channel how to communicate your ideas. So I think this will definitely help us to do that. Social psychology. Yes, we need to understand the people, the behavior, the patterns, the science of well-being. Many things. So model thinking, business writing, influencing people is very important. So almost all the important courses are given here. And one more important thing, let me tell you, is that it is made by Google, and also in let me show you this, in affiliation with many of the universities, leading universities like University of Virginia, Goodwill Community Foundation, is Google Cloud. Here you can see National Xiao Tung University. Hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Monash University National, yeah, the same thing. University of Auckland, Groningen, Helsinki. Okay, also all these courses are designed by the industry experts and all are updated. Okay, latest updates. So without any worry, we can get into this. And in this pandemic where it is very difficult for us to spend or shell out of money, so instead of that, if we go through this and if we harness our knowledge, that would be much better. So this is about the categories. We have also the course length. See, in the next we have the course length. Like if you have a time constraint, then you can go with the 2 hours, 2 to 10 hours, 11 to 2 hours courses, 20 plus hours. This also this, if just I'll give an example, under 2 hours. Yes, see, it's only just 1 hour course. 1 hour course, easily per day you can complete 3 courses. Okay, so let's get in the certification part. Yes, we have a free certificate and paid certificate part. There are few which are free certificates, then there are few for which you need to shell out money. So course difficulty also one of the important thing. Like if you are a beginner, just go with it. Just click on the beginner part. You will get all the courses which is related to beginner. If you are intermediate, okay, if you know something, then directly you can jump on to the intermediate part. Or if you are advanced, then directly you can go into the advanced one. So without wasting your time, you can choose. You are the difficulty, course difficulty also the course provider. Just now we discussed about this. Okay, that's about the first page given here. Also the offline trainings are there, also the remote works, my learning plan. This is the best part, is that you can track what you are learning. Okay, just you see, got to keep track of your progress. Add courses to my learning plan to keep all your courses in one place and track your program anytime. Okay, in progress, because I haven't chosen anything, so nothing is there. So let's get back to these courses. So what I would suggest you is, instead of wasting our time on playing games, instead of wasting our time and doing that and this, just if you could learn daily one course, that's enough for us. We will be equipped with latest technologies, latest updates. That's what keeps us going in this pandemic. So we need to keep updating. So I hope this video has helped you a lot on this. Just explore much more in this, because due to the short time I couldn't explain you much. So let's get back to the online courses here. Yeah, here we have. So in the next video I'll be telling you about the fundamentals of digital marketing in details versions. It's a beautiful course, everything is given you. Just I'll take you through. I'll give the taste of it. Just we need to, so already we have registered, so we need to, once we start this course, we have we'll get all the videos and all these things. But before that, see about this course, see how the courses are given. About this course details, module 26 modules are there. Hours 40 is a beginner course and it's for free. The course features is IAB accredited, video tutorials are given, unlimited access is given, and recognized certification which you can put in your CVs. Why there is a necessary to get certified? Yes, it is given here. Getting certified shows employees that you have a clear understanding of the core concepts of digital marketing or whatever you are learning. So you can also add the qualification to your CV and easily upload it. You can find a job that will be easy for you. You can grow your career with this. And how it works: first you need to complete all the modules. So whichever course you are choosing for, first you need to complete all the modules, then take the final examination, then you can share your certificate. For few you need to pay them. Otherwise for the free certificate, just directly once you clear the examination, you can share your certificates, download and showcase your new qualifications on LinkedIn and your CV. You are also given the content of each module, what you gonna taught on this, the online opportunity. The first thing, see all the 26 modules have been given here. Just help people nearby, what you're gonna learn, everything is given here. Okay, and also see the skills you will learn out of this once. So what you will gain after learning this, you will get an analytics and data insights. In this introduction to analytics, we will show you how to collect and analyze user data and turn into actionable insights. See, you can have a knowledge on business strategy, content marketing, display advertising, e-commerce, email marketing, local marketing, the mobile, SEM, SEO, search engine optimization, social media, video, web optimization, everything. Identify the right digital channel that will help you achieve your business goals and create better online other experiences. It's such a beautiful thing. It's a very good channel to go with. Even the testimonials are given here. You can go through the testimonials if you have a time. The facts are given. Each is how can I be awarded digital certificate, how do I get Google digital unlock certificate, everything is given here. Just you go through this. Okay, so without wasting your time, just get into the learnings. And so before closing this video, let me remind you to please subscribe this channel, because once you subscribe, whenever I make a new video, you will get notified. Okay, you will get intimated on it. So without any further ado, just subscribe this channel. So that's all for the video, guys. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Please don't forget to share this with your friends, families and whoever you know. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye, take care.